When it comes to making changes to your site, the first thing you want to do is find the page and the section that needs changing. I'll be using this page as an example, but these instructions should work across the board. Once there, scroll to the bottom of the page. In the footer, you will see a clickable link called Edit Page. Once clicked, it should prompt you to enter your ULID and your password. Mine are already entered since I've used it before, but this will be blank. After you're logged in, it'll ask you to lock the page to begin editing. To note, if someone else is currently editing the page, it will say that that user has locked the page, and you will not be able to open the page or make any changes to it until they have finished editing. You can either talk to them directly or check back at a different time to see if the page has been locked. After that, you lock the page, and it will show you the editable sections available to you on the page. Here it shows downloads because that's a different section on the page, but the main content is down here where it says editable section. When making changes to the site, there are usually 3 types of changes you'll be making. You could be editing the page's written content, adding new or updating existing photos, or adding new or updating existing links. When you're editing the page's written content, the way you go about that is usually pretty self-explanatory. You just click on the editable section that you wish to change, and you can type directly into the box. You can either save as you work or save at the end of your edits. I would recommend saving as you work in case something happens. Once you save, your text would show up as soon as you publish the page. You can make it bold, italicize it, make it into a number list, bullet points, graphs, and you can also change the formatting to give it different sized headings. As for adding new or updating existing photos, all you have to do is click on Gallery. Once the gallery has loaded, you can scroll through the images that have already been uploaded to the site to see if you find one that you think would work for what you were trying to accomplish. All you have to do is click on it and choose Insert, and it will insert the image wherever your cursor was on the editable section. If you find yourself in a situation where none of the images are exactly what you want, all you have to do is upload the image yourself. You have to click on Upload an Image, and it'll prompt you to choose a file from your computer. I don't have any files that I feel like the School of Com needs uploaded, but if I did, I would just click on the file, click Open, and it would upload it to the gallery. After that, you'd just click on the gallery and find the image. The steps for adding new or updating existing links is very similar to the steps for uploading images. You can either highlight the text and add a URL hyperlink, which you can prompt to open in a new tab or let it open in the page. Or you can click on the gallery yet again, and this time, instead of looking through the images, look through the documents. You find the document that you're looking for, and you insert that into the text. Now what it shows up as is the name of the document, and you usually don't want that. So you can click on the link and change the display text to whatever you need. And it will just link it to the proper document. Say that the document was not in the gallery. Yet again, what you need to do is go to where you upload and choose a file from your computer, and then it should appear in the gallery. Once the desired changes have been made, make sure you save your work, and then most importantly, publish it. That way your changes will go live within a few minutes. Finally, once the changes have both been saved and published, be sure to relock the page, or unlock the page, excuse me. That way, anybody who wants to edit the page after you is able to access it. You can go back, refresh the page, and sometimes it takes a few minutes, sorry. And any changes you've made will be on the live site.